So this is my mechanical room, and it started off as a pump room, and there's a video on this explaining my pump systems. But basically I have water filtration systems for household water and drinking water. The drinking water coming from a rainwater harvesting system, and the household water either coming from rainwater or from well water. And on this side we have the solar system. So this was the secondary role for this room. There's a 10 kilowatt inverter and 16 200 amp hour batteries, equivalent to 2 Tesla Powerwalls worth of storage. And this means that we can be off-grid for 9 months of the year. During the rainy season we draw a little bit of power from the grid. It's a hybrid off-grid system. It's enough to run the house and charge my electric car as well. But I also wanted a workshop, and so what you're looking at here is the workbench, and this was the thing that was holding me up. Buying a decent, solid workbench in Thailand really was the thing that was the hold up. I just wasn't able to find anything that looked like it would last any length of time. And a good friend of mine, Greg, he did the intelligent thing, and he started building a workshop before he even started to build his house. Now, I finished my house, and my workshop were these 3 yellow toolboxes, and they lived on the ground floor, second floor and third floor, and had a set of tools on each floor during the build. But now I have the luxury of having a proper workshop, and it's thanks to Greg. He said to me, come and have a look at what I've done, and he basically built his own workbenches. And I was very impressed with what he did, and I have blatantly just copied everything that he's done, and we have a made-to-measure workbench. So the other thing about my workshop is that my work tools are all concept yellow. You can see Stanley here, and basically all my tools were yellow, and they all got, I think technical term is knocked to shit basically during the build. So I've decided with my workshop to change the concept color, and I'm going for this green color. The reason for that is this company, Total. And Total are a manufacturer of workshop tools, and they're not available in Thailand in any of the big box stores. You have to order them online, but they are incredible value and excellent quality. And so I decided that I would treat myself to a complete set of new tools, the bench grinder there, and bench vise, and all the tools to hand. So I can find what I need when I need it, and everything is easy to find and well organized, which is what we want. And plenty of storage, lots of shelves on the walls. The other function in this room does actually function as a laundry as well. So we have the washing machine in here and washing liquid. And there's quite a bit of space in the room so that during the rainy season we can do laundry, and we can leave the laundry to dry here. So that, as I say, this is a multi-function room. Water filters workshop, batteries, tool storage, and laundry.